For all of you who are Muslim in the room, I just want you to think about something for a moment. What was the first thing that Allah created? Al-Qalam, the pen. The first thing that Allah ever created was the pen. And He commanded that pen, uktub, write. The pen wanted to know what to write. Allah said, write everything. Everything that will ever happen until the end of time. And that book is with Allah. The Prophet ﷺ said during his Isra wal Miraj that that pen has been lifted from the paper and the ink is dry. The qadr of Allah has been set. For those of you that are Muslim in the room tonight, how many of you were born and raised a Muslim? Raise your hand. Born and raised, always knew about Islam. MashaAllah, hands down. How many people in this room came to Islam later on in life through learning about the religion? Regardless of how you came, I want you to think about something. And when I realized this, people ask me, how do I keep going and doing what I do? You know, it's tough. I have a wife, I have children, I have businesses. I'm traveling on the road all of the time. There's a lot of headache involved in that, especially flying while Muslim these days. How do you keep going? I remind myself of this. No matter what I think I did to come to Islam, no matter what you think your forefathers may have done to bring you into a Muslim family, before anything existed, Allah commanded that pen to write your name. And then next to your name, Allah commanded it to write Muslim. What did you do for that? What had you done to be worthy of that? What did you done? Nothing. But Allah still said to that pen, write this person's name, and next to that person's name, write Muslim. Allah told that pen, write my name. And then in 1998, when his life, when you find December of 1998, write Guide to Islam. That's why I do this. I cannot repay. There's no quantity of lives that I could be given to repay. So I do what I can with what I have right now. That's all I can do. Hoping beyond hope that when I stand in front of my Lord on the Day of Judgment, I will be able to say, my Lord, did I do enough for you to forgive me for what I didn't do? Did I do enough? That's all the Muslim hopes for. That is the purpose of life in Islam. That we were created because the Creator willed us to exist. He created us with the intent to worship Him, fully well knowing that we're going to mess it up, giving us the solution, the guidebook called the Religion of Islam, the module with which to be forgiven, which is repentance. And then we live our lives trying to do the best we can. And on the Day of Judgment, hoping beyond all hope that we've done enough to enter into the eternal gardens of bliss forever, so that we can gaze upon the face of Allah. That's why we're here. That's why we do it.